Alright, so we just finished flat, heel, heel, step 1, 2, flat, heel, heel, step 1, 2. Now we're going to do a full Shirley tempo, flat, heel, heel, brush, heel, toe, heels to the right. Flat, heel, heel, brush, heel, toe, heel, flat, heel, heel, brush, heel, toe, heel. We're going to do a quick 4-point cramp roll with our right foot. Then up on our heels, heel, heel, step, step. We're going to do that again. 4-point cramp roll, heel, heel, step, step. Then we're going to do 3 rond de jambes, starting with our right foot. You're going to rond de jambe back. 1, 2, 3, front, back. 1, 2, 3, front, back. Then you're going to step on your right foot and hop on your heel. So you're going to step, hop. Then you're going to hop on your left foot. Step, hop, cross, back, open. Then you're going to do the same thing starting with your left foot. Step, hop, cross, back, open. Then you're going to do 3 paradiddles with a ball change. Heel, brush, toe, heel. 1, 2, 3, ball change. 1, 2, 3, ball change. Then you're going to do the rond de jambes again. 1, 2, 3, front, back. 1, 2, 3, front,